Namaste, Hamisha Khushro Bitia. I, JVN Preeti Singh, Faculty of Pharmaceutical Science, Jyoti Vidyapeeth, Women's University. Today, I will discuss about the topic ocular drug delivery system. So, this system is very important for the novel drug delivery system subject for the B Form 7th semester. So, now we come to the what is the introduction. Ocular administration of drug is primarily associated with the need to treat ophthalmic disease. Eye is the most easily accessible site for topical administration of a medication. Ideal ophthalmic drug delivery must be able to sustain the drug release and to remain in the vicinity of front of the eye for prolonged period of time. So the composition of eye, water is 98%, solid 1.8%, organic element protein 0.67% and sugar 0.65%, NaCl 0.66%, other mineral elements sodium, potassium and ammonia 0.79% and eye and lacrimal drainage system. This is the structure of eye and this is the eyelid and the this. So now we come to the what is the anatomy of eye. Anatomy of eye is also very important for the create delivery system of ocular. So now we come to the routes of drug administration eye. This is the anterior subtendon and this is the suprachloride and posterior subtendon, and this is the punctual and intravitreal and the lenses and topical and intracleral and frontal. So the mechanism of ocular absorption. Non-corneal absorption, penetration across sclera and conjunctiva into an intraocular tissue. Non-productive and because penetrated drug is absorbed by general circulation. So the corneal absorption, outer epithelium rate limiting barrier with pore size 60 angstrom and only access to small ionic and lipophilic molecules. Transcellular transports between corneal epithelium and stroma, the factor affecting intraocular bioavailability, inflow and outflow of lacrimal fluids. Efficient nasolacrimal drainage and interaction of drug with proteins of lacrimal fluid. Dilution with tears and corneal barriers, so active ion transport at cornea. And barriers avoiding drug delivery, drug in tear fluid and ocular absorption. So ocular absorption is divided into two parts, is corneal route and conjunctival and sclera route. So this is the ocular tissue and this is the process of illumination. Now we come to the ophthalmic dosage form. Ophthalmic preparation are sterile products essential, free from foreign particles and suitable compounds and packaged for installation into the eye. The following dosage forms have been developed to ophthalmic drugs. Some are in common use, some are merely experimental and other are no longer used. So this is the ocular delivery system. Vesicular and conventional and controlled release, so the particular and the advanced. So there are the many types of liposomes, niosomes and discosomes, all other delivery system. So the selected types of ocular drug delivery system. So the aqueous eye drops, oily eye drops, eye ointment, eye lotion, and paper strips. So the OcuSert and hydrogel contact lenses and collagen shields and ophthalmic rods. So this is the introduction of the ophthalmic drug delivery system. So this is the complete session. This session is powered by the digital version 2.0, Jyoti Vidyapeeth Women's University, and I hope you are satisfied with my digital session. If you have any query, please mention in comment box. I will resolve it your problem by the problem resolving class. Thank you and thank you for the listening.